Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to share how to handle dialog alert boxes on macOS using just your keyboard. If you're new to Mac from Windows, these settings and shortcuts will help you work through those prompts much faster. For example, when you close a document you are working on, a dialog box pops up asking if you want to save. By default on macOS, the Tab key only jumps between text input fields. It doesn't move to the other buttons. So when you hit Tab, you are stuck in those two fields. Here is the fix. Open your system settings, go to Keyboard on the left, and toggle on Keyboard Navigation. Once that is enabled, you can use the Tab key to move the focus ring between input fields and all the buttons in that dialog box. Next, let's switch over to Photoshop. When you close a document, Photoshop asks if you want to save. In this case, if you hit Tab, nothing happens because it conflicts with Photoshop's own settings. For the blue Save button, this is called the default button, so you just need to hit Return and the system automatically selects it. If you want to choose Don't Save, just press Command D. The D here stands for Don't Save. And to cancel, just hit Escape, exactly like on Windows. Now, for a different type of dialog box. Let's say I am saving this file as a PNG, but I click on an existing MP4 file. A dialog box appears. You can hit Tab to switch between the buttons, but the shortcut Command D won't work for any of them here. The previous rule still applies. If you press Return, even though the focus ring is on the second button, Return will still trigger the default blue button. If you want to apply the command to the focused button, you must press Space. So that's how you can easily and effectively navigate dialog box buttons using your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.